Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix mobile data is slow in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center, and here you can turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then go back to your home screen and check your network connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then reinsert your SIM card. After reinsert your SIM card, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.